What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to install the RCF track edition bushing on my IS, but right now I'm in the middle of installing the F Sport shocks and springs, and I did the front. Now I'm doing the rears, and then I'm coming into some problems here, which is kind of weird. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. First off, the shock came with this thing right here was wrong. It was too large. I think they sent me the wrong one, so I have to contact that tailor I bought this from. This was too large. The springs wouldn't sit here, and then the next problem I have is like this bolt here is just stuck here because it won't come off. So when you turn this, the whole thing turn. As you can see, the player is not moving, but it's like this part right here and there. Let me show you. This is the old shock here. It's like in the new one, that whole thing is moving. So even though you're trying to screw the bolt on top of here, it's not screwing in because this part right here keep moving. I don't know if that was a faulty shock from Lexus, but not only it came with this, it was too large, it was wrong. I believe this is for the front, not the rear. And then this part here keep moving on its own, which is not supposed to. It's just the whole thing is weird. Now this is the bushings that I'm going to install. This one is the left side, driver side. It start by 48075, and this one is the passenger side, which is the right side. Is start with 48075. So what I'm going to do is install one, and then I'll show you guys how I install the next one. When I ordered these, they were RCF track edition. I'm pretty sure they all used the same one, but that's what was in there. So I'm not sure if the regular RCF has one and then the track edition has another one. Okay guys, just like that, I'm done with the driver side. This is where, if you have a lift or a quick jack, that's why I have to buy a quick jack. And even on the quick jack, I feel like it's the car would still be too low. Like, this is something I could have done in like 10-15 minutes, but it took me about a half hour to do that side. So I guess it's gonna be the same thing for here, but it's like, because you don't have a lift, it's kind of hard to get down there. Like, I'm a small guy, but I'm guessing if someone is a little bit bigger with those jack stands, I don't think you can even fit there. So that's why it's good to have a lift or know someone that has a lift you can use. Anyways, this is the one I took off, and this is the driver side, and now I'm about to install the right side. This is the passenger side. This is what you have to do. Those two bolts right here are 14. You're gonna have to remove them, and this one right here is a 22, and the one over here is a 22, and there's another bolt up here
which is an 18. Now I lose this, but apparently there's like another bolt on top of you. It's like a washer that's hold that. So when you try to screw this back on, it's gonna feel like it's loose. It won't bite. That's because there's another bolt, some kind of washer up here that you have to hold and screw it at the same time. Another thing is, when you get all the bolts off, to take this one off, you have to kind of use something to press on this, and you also have to jack it up here so this side can point down a little bit. So and just like that, I took the old one off. Now we going to put the new one in, and it's the same process. Alright guys, just like that, I'm all set. I installed the bushings. It's really an easy job, but it's because when you don't have a leaf, like I said, everything is hard because the car is low on the car one. Jack stand, they're not tall enough, so you can't really get in underneath of the car to do what you have to do. But yeah, this is the old bushings. They're very soft, actually, very soft. So now it's for me to finish with the whole suspension thing, and then put the new wheels and tire, like the new wheels on, and then get in alignment. But you guys have to stay tuned for this video, because I'm still trying to see if I can take this bolt off, but it's really not coming off. I don't know. You see this one right here, that's the other shark. What happened is, every time I turn it, this part right here just turned by itself from in there. So it's like I can't even get this bolt out, so it sucks. All right guys, that's it for today. Please give this video a like, and if you are new to the channel, you like what you see, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Perfect.